Here, garage Bible. Do you think these Galileans were worse sinners than all the other Galileans just because they suffered this fate? No, I tell you, but unless you repent, you will all likewise perish. Today, fresh East Lake axle going in. Yeah, so I don't know who did it, but somebody cartwheeled my four-wheeler. And warped the axle. So now when you jack it up to lube the chain, that one wheel's going wah, wah, wah. And then I got the uni filter, brake rotor, because I destroy a lot of those. Since that last trip where we got broke down over a throttle cable, we're not doing that anymore. Got a bunch of master links, the OEM bolts, and a bunch of Tusk first line. It's like SC1, but a lot cheaper. Axle nut coming off, caliper coming off. And it makes it harder because I got all this beefcake crap on there. Got to take that off, chain coming off. I think we're going to leave the wheels on the hub and just snatch them off. That's still OEM chain. And check this out. I got this in a dang, snagged it on a trade deal. The dang jack, put an impact on it. Brr. What?
That axle nut.
No.
I'm gonna have to go get that big whammy.
Surely not the big whammy. The big whammy? No. Man. That's on there. Got some better stuff here. The big whammy. Get her?
Got her.
Yeah. So you gotta take these little set screws out, and then you want to break that sucker loose before you got it all up in the air sitting on blocks and sketchy crap, because it might require a little bit of horsepower to get them bad boys off there. Need that caliper off. That's where we did some freaking custom crap when we was up there.
Dang, find me the right size Allen, cool. Grab like this. Yeah, look, I got it, baby.
That wasn't nice. Dang, we ain't got a torch up there, I guarantee you.
Lock top when we go there.
Pads are getting there. Well, sort of. Have I busted all the way through that? No. Nope, yep, you did. Dick. Where'd that go? I don't know, this ain't looking good. That is stripped.
What is?
And that one don't look too good. It's not looking good. And I've got to have that. That's OEM. Ain't gonna find that.
Big plug pliers on it.
There we go. Look here, and teeth are starting to get gnarly. Yeah, it's about time for a fresh one. But I don't have a fresh one, so we're gonna say we'll get another ride out of it. To put it back together the right way, you got this axle nut and you got this washer. Then you got this thing, and then you've got two identical O-rings, just like a dang parts diagram. Just chunk, chunk, chunk. There she is. The old warped up one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely shot. And we got How does that work? Oh, this has got to come back out the other way, don't it? Oh, God. Oh, God. Success. Got that cleaned out. Nice and pretty in there. And putting this together, stupid snap ring goes right here. O-ring goes right here. And that probably doesn't do much, but holy crap, if that keeps your... This ain't got nothing in it, dog. Bitch. We're doing maximum performance here. This is some real Michael Sabo crap. We're doing aniseeds, greasing stuff. We got assembly lube, dude. The real deal. Ooh, would you look at that? Fresh. I'd like to be putting a new sprocket guard, the new sprocket. I'd like to be doing all fresh, but you know, the corn dog's freaking $7, $8, so budget cuts. Yeah, for real. You can't go, we'll go to Windrock and we'll go grocery shopping and we'll get just enough crap to fill up a backpack. Not even. Like, for the amount of crap you can fit in a backpack is over $100 for daggone trail snacks. And not even Jack Links. We're talking like, we're getting Golden Flake, dude. Ooh. Leftover Pivot Works grease. I'm greasing her up, son. Ooh. So I remember now, I ordered these like months ago because I remembered putting them in and boogering them all to crap. OEM bolts right here. And they say, oh, you just need a little bit, but I don't believe in that. It's gonna be wet this weekend, so we done flipped them puppies around. High performance. Let me pull that rubber crap out of the way. Look, how do you get this thing off? Oh, okay. All that crusty stuff in there. Need to get that out of there. So we got it down here. So got the new clutch cable in there. Oh yeah, she's feeling good. Tied it up nice and clean with some of them Sims zip ties there. That probably added a good 15 horsepower to her. Now we're on to the breathing apparatus here. That's dirty. Ugh. It really ain't too shabby.
No, it's pretty.
But we got a freshie. It's a little thing out of there, a little cage. About to put it in and lube it up. I really wasn't sure what's supposed to be the best filter. But Uni or the other one, Twin Air. Let me know. What is the best? This little darling in there. A little bit of Fab 1 going in there, son. A little bit of something like, ooh. Oh yeah, kind of purple looking. Yeah, that right there ought to catch some daggum contaminants right there. And if you know, you know. It sucks to get this little wing nut to start. Say that again.
So every time I smell grease, all I think about is the way you smell.
So he sniffed that grease. He's like, oh yeah, it smells like Tucker. New axle is in. New bolts. New brake rotor. Fresh uni filter up in there. Fresh clutch cable. Zip ties. Fresh greased A-arm, son. I'm talking about she is just... Look here, it pushed out a little bit. Oh. See, you can't be having that. Oh, that's got a little bit of blue to it. That's that cat grease. Caterpillar power, baby. Chain is definitely lubed. Yeah, somebody over lubed it. I don't know who did that. Gotta stick this little darling back on there. Look, I done slipped the seat down, son. I'm gonna fall off of here.